In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a file or folder on Google Drive using a computer. Starring is a simple way to keep your most important documents easy to find without moving them out of their original folders. Think of it as bookmarking a file or folder, so it's always just a click away. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to drive.google.com. Any modern browser will work well, and a stable internet connection will make everything feel smooth. When the page loads, you'll see the Google Drive sign-in screen if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and sign in to your Google account. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the right one for the files you want to manage. You can double-check by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. If you're asked for additional verification, just follow the prompts to continue. Once you're in Drive, locate the file or folder you want to star. You can scroll through My Drive, browse shared folders, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Switching between List and Grid View can help you spot items more easily, depending on your preference. When you've found the right file or folder, right-click on it to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually acts as a right-click, and on some devices you can hold Control and click to get the same menu. This menu gives you tools for organizing and managing your item. From that menu, click Organize, then choose Add to Starred. This marks the item with a star, which is a visual reminder that it's important to you. It doesn't change where the file is stored or who can access it. It simply flags it for quick access across your drive. To view everything you've starred, look at the left sidebar and click Starred. This section collects all your starred files and folders in one place, whether they're in My Drive or shared with you. It's a great way to cut through the clutter and jump straight to your key documents. If you don't see an item here, make sure you starred the correct file or that you're signed into the right account. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, sign in, find your item, right-click, choose Organize, and select Add to Starred. Then use the Starred tab in the sidebar whenever you want fast access to your favorites. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.